Hello. Welcome to a quick stretch and snack with ZGALA. You can call me Auntie Angel if you like. Once again, it's a little late, but before I wind all the way down, I'm gonna do a little letting go of stress, and I invite you to join me to whatever degree feels good in your body. We're gonna keep it real simple, like pretty quick, and just do some shoulder shrugs to start. It's one of my main ways of releasing tension in the body. It's nice and easy. You just breathe in, bring the shoulders up, tense up, breathe in a little more and hold, and then just let the arms swing, let the stress go, let it roll off your back like water off a duck's back. Let's do a couple more. Breathing in, tensing up, breathing in a little more and holding, and then just letting it go. Just like that. One more. Breathing in, tensing up, breathing in a little more, holding. Wing the arms back, swing the arms across the body, wiggle those around. I was just out playing my guitar, which tends to put a little extra tension in the hands, in the arms, in the shoulders, bringing the other one across the body, wiggling that around, winging it back. Let's go a little side to side over the top. Just like to remind you, it doesn't have to take a long time to give your body a little stretch, to let go of some stress. Do a little resetting. There you have it. 2 minutes is enough. It's great if you do 20 minutes a day somewhere, but it's also great if you only do 2 minutes. It's a lot better than no minutes. So I hope you're remembering that there's not one way to check in with your body, and that you are worthy of your own unconditional love. You're enough exactly as you are, and also you can do more than you think. Stay curious, stay courageous, like and subscribe. Get more fit, get more free, and I'll be seeing you soon. Ciao for now. Peace.